How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a triple welcome to you. So we're gonna do a hateration video. Kidding, guys. We are going to do the anti-perfume haul tag, which was started by the beautiful Ange from 50 Cents UK. I'm gonna link her channel down below. Please go and check her out. I enjoy her content and her as a reviewer so much. Anyway, so we're going to talk about perfumes that I will never be buying, guys. And this is done in all good faith and fun. It's my personal preferences, guys. And just be reminded that no perfumes were damaged and no feelings were hurt in the making of this video. First up, guys, is Versace Eros Perfume, the EDP. Guys, I will never be purchasing this perfume because there is something in this perfume that just reminds me of toothpaste. Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm gonna say something that will change the smell of the perfume forever for you. But I just cannot get it down. My nose just can't get rid of the note that comes across as toothpaste, so there is no way I will be buying this. I know that people mentioned that the EDT is much better. I will be trying out that one, but the EDP I will definitely not be buying. Next up is Fleur Mas by Narciso Rodriguez for her. And guys, I am not a musk lover. Musk has to be done in a certain way for me to enjoy it. And unfortunately, in this perfume, it is just too overwhelming. It's too overpowering. It's headache-inducing for me personally. I just can't handle it. So unfortunately, this one does not work for me. However, I do love the bottle of this one. It's such a beautiful bottle, and the pinkness of the bottle, this pink, I really love this type of pink. But the perfume, guys, I can't. Next up, guys, and people are going to kill me now. Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, guys. Don't get me wrong, I like this perfume. I actually love it, but the price, guys, for me, it's just not unique enough and not, I don't love it enough to pay that kind of money. Chanel is very expensive in South Africa. And for me, Chanel perfumes and the price that people are asking in this country, it's not aligned. So for me, I'll probably look at something like Sofia by Sofia Vergara, which a lot of you reviewers says it's in the same vibe. It's not the same, but it's in the same vibe, but it's much more affordable. So if I, crave for something like this, I will probably look at a perfume like that to purchase as an alternative. But this one, guys, no, I'm sorry. Next, guys, and this is a total devastation for me because I actually love this. This is Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. I love this perfume, but guys, there's something in this perfume that gives me a morse headache. It just gives me a headache that immediately goes into a migraine. And it's just, I am so disappointed that I cannot wear this perfume because I really do love the coffee note, the sweetness of this perfume. But unfortunately, for some reason, I can't get this perfume down without it causing a headache for me. And it's really devastating for me. So if anybody can suggest any alternatives, please let me know in the comments down below. I am looking currently maybe at also Sofia Vergara's Love because people are saying it's in the same type of vibe as well. But you will not understand the heartbreak that I'm feeling when I see somebody reviewing Black Opium or even smell somebody wearing it, and I know I will never be able to wear it. So for that reason, I can't buy it. Next up is Sipa Giorgio Armani. Guys, this, I can understand why people like this. For me, I really don't like that champagne type of opening thing. It's just not my thing. And also, it's just, for me, it's just also not unique enough for the price point, because it's also a bit expensive in South Africa. So for that reason, no, I'll never buy C by Giorgio Armani. Unfortunately, it's not my vibe. Next up is Burberry London Dream, and this I actually got a sample in a beauty box. I have a video of the unboxing. If you want to go and check it out, I'll link it down below. However, guys, this was such a disappointment because Burberry is actually on my wish list, the original. And this is the first flanker I tested, and this is such a huge disappointment. There is just something in this perfume, guys, that really annoys me because it feels like somebody decided to take 1 or 2 or 3 notes and water them down or dilute them. Because, I don't know, maybe the notes are too expensive and they wanted to stretch it or what. But it's just, you know, when you make food and you use 2 eggs instead of 3 because you want to save, and then it doesn't taste like it should taste. You get the idea, but it's not reaching what it's supposed to be. Yeah, so the idea is there, but the dream is not reached, you know. So yeah, the dream will remain a dream that will not be reached. And therefore it will not end up in my collection, unfortunately. Next up, guys, is this one, and this is Gucci Bloom EDP. And I'm not a huge floral lover, guys. I do enjoy florals, but I don't enjoy perfumes that is just overwhelmingly florally or reminds me of a floral bouquet. And this to me was just a bit too much, because I'm also someone that suffers from hay fever. This just made me sneeze a lot, and I can appreciate the fact that, you know, what they were trying to achieve with this perfume. But unfortunately, with what's going on in my body and my personal preference, this is definitely not something that I will spend my money on. So this is Izumiyaki Slu, the Issy Rose and Rose, and I sprayed this on my hand just to remind myself before I started re-recording. And this, guys, I do enjoy some rose perfumes. I'm not a huge rose lover. I enjoy a jammy rose, and I enjoy a very fresh, light, watery rose. But this one is just so strange to me, guys. It's almost potpourri, air freshenery smelling. It's, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of, there was this carpet powder that almost smelled like this. And for the mere fact that I don't want to smell like a carpet, because this is going to remind me of that if I wear it, this is definitely not going to work. Nah, guys. Nee, hierdie ene gaan definitief nie vir my werkie. So I'm not even gonna bother, you know, spending my money on this one. The bottle is beautiful though, but nah, guys. You see now, even the camera is saying no. Last fragrance, which I will never buy, guys, is one that I unfortunately don't have a sample of. I finished my decant because I wanted to know what the hype was all about. It is Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Coq Dijon, which I have a lot of respect for because I have a lot of perfumes that he created that I absolutely adore. But this one, guys, that burnt candy, caramel note, candy floss, burnt note in there, nah, it's not my vibe. And then also, this perfume plays hide and seek with you. Now, I'm getting old, guys. I do not like inconsistency. in people or in perfume. So I cannot stand something that you can smell now and then you can't smell it later, and then you can smell it again and then you can't. No hide and seek for me, guys. I'm too old for those type of games. And for the price point, I wouldn't want my perfume to play hide and seek. So I'm sure there's other perfumes that in his personal line I would love and I would probably invest in, but it will definitely not be 540. Yeah, so that is it, guys. If you enjoyed me trashing all of these perfumes, then please give me a like. If you didn't, please give me a dislike. It doesn't matter, guys. This was all for fun. I don't hate these perfumes. I have respect for the people that created them. We're all different and everybody loves different things, and it just so happens that these ones are not my cup of tea. The ones that I like might not be your cup of tea, so each to their own. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, what are you doing? Please subscribe to my channel, because you are watching. So you can just subscribe. It's free. It's mahala. It's verniet. Yeah, so thanks, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.